Hi there, I'm Mazabel, Head of Advisors at Trust & Will. As a financial advisor, are you providing your clients with enough education and value around estate planning? As the industry continues to shift, consumers are looking for more comprehensive and holistic planning, helping them navigate through all of life's various stages. Trust & Will is modernizing estate planning, removing the main barriers as to why 60% of families don't have a plan in place for their futures. We provide attorney-designed, state-specific plans in all 50 states at an affordable price, with best-in-class member support. We're already working with thousands of forward-thinking advisors, and we want you to join us in our mission. Are you interested in differentiating your practice? We'd love to schedule a customized demo. Otherwise, stay tuned for a quick walkthrough of our platform. Welcome to our unique advisor dashboard, where firms and advisors can interact in a centralized portal showcasing their clients' estate plans. Here, you can send your clients their custom links, view pending invites, track their progress, and monitor who has started and completed their documents. You can even request access to view their plans along the way. All this is designed to help you seamlessly integrate the estate planning conversation into your practice. As with everything at Trust & Will, we lead with education. The first time you send your unique link to a client, we'll help educate them on the importance of setting up an estate plan. You can send this link via the dashboard or copy and paste to send directly through your preferred method of contact. Once a client creates an account using their unique link, you'll be automatically notified when they start and finish their documents. You'll also have the ability to view which step of the process they're working on, as well as the last time they made an update or edit. This gives you the chance to revisit the estate planning conversation with clients during your regular review meetings throughout the year. On top of that, we've also built out the ability for RIAs to pre-purchase estate plans in bulk with discounts up to 30%, which is another way to effortlessly integrate estate planning into your practice, making it the holistic solution clients are searching for. Lastly, you have the Dashboard's Resources tab at your disposal. This includes a database of informative content, a robust FAQ, and other educational materials, ensuring you have what you need to implement and make the most out of our service. We truly value the highest level of member support here at Trust & Will, which is why every advisor we work with is assigned a dedicated relationship manager as their point of contact. We help you come up with an implementation plan so that you have everything you need to succeed. The best part is that this is just the beginning of our advisor offering. We are continuously building out our platform based on feedback from advisors like you. Come join our movement to completely modernize the estate planning industry.